International students face deportation from Canada due to new rules. Today's video update is about a big crisis as international students face deportation from Canada. We highly suggest you watch the full video and comment below if you or your loved one is affected by the new rules. Are you struggling with your Canadian visa application or immigration status in Canada? We highly recommend consulting with one of the 100 registered immigration experts available through our website. Click the link in the description box and the pinned comment below for assistance. Now, let's proceed with the video and discuss the Indian students in Canada protest deportation. Hundreds of Indian students in Prince Edward Island are facing deportation due to recent changes in immigration rules. The students have been protesting since May 9th, fighting for their rights in what they describe as a now or never situation. They have planned an assembly meeting on May 23rd at 175 Richmond Street, Charlottetown, Prince Edward Island, to discuss their demands and next steps. Now, let's briefly talk about the unawareness from the Modi-led government. Despite the growing crisis, the Modi-led government in India claims to be unaware of such developments, according to India Today. This lack of awareness has left many students feeling abandoned and desperate for support. Did you know about the denied work permits and unmet expectations? A significant issue for these students is the denial of work permits despite completing their studies. Rupinder Pal Singh, a leader among the protesters, highlighted three main demands. Inclusion in the Provincial Nominee program. The students want to be included in the PNP system, arguing that they were working on valid permits before the new rules took effect. Equitable Draws. Singh called for draws to be conducted fairly, without relying heavily on a rigid points-based system that disadvantages younger immigrants in sectors like sales, services, food, and trucking. Extension of work permits. The protesters demand that their work permits be extended to compensate for the lost time and opportunities caused by the government's policy changes and resulting economic issues. Let's talk about the Provincial Nominee program changes. The Prince Edward Island government announced a 25% reduction in the number of immigrants it nominates for permanent residency through the PNP in 2024. This decision prioritizes certain occupations, such as healthcare and construction, citing strains on the province's healthcare system and housing market. What's the impact on students and local economy? The reduction in PNP nominations has left many students, who were counting on these opportunities, in a precarious situation. The PNPs allow provinces to select immigrants who can contribute to the local economy and address labor and skill shortages. The recent changes in Prince Edward Island's PNP highlight the province's struggle to balance immigration with local needs. Conclusion of today's video update. The situation for Indian students in Prince Edward Island is dire, with many facing deportation and an uncertain future. Their protests aim to bring attention to their plight and demand fair treatment from the Canadian immigration system. As the situation develops, the students continue to hope for a resolution that will allow them to stay and contribute to the Canadian economy. We value your voice. Share your thoughts and experiences in the comments below. Your feedback is crucial as we delve into the intricacies of Canadian immigration policies. Stay tuned for more updates and insights in our next edition.